Guys,
Mom,
look.
this is not our car, man.
Ang kotse ko.
Mom, this is not our
Nasa
car.
Thailand. Not ganit. The same lang. The same car. Go sit
Because
down.
it has something on top.
Go sit. Oh, yeah. You're right. Go move.
Like where you put bags on top
Move, please.
when you're traveling. No drinks? Mom, no drinks now. And
No
food.
drinks, yes. Ah, pep nung. Riyan ko. Pep nung.
Our car, man, stop. Wow, our car. This is
Huwag na mag-iyak. Huwag na mag-iyak.
our car. Our car. I cannot drink coffee in the car.
Water yan.
Vomiting.
Okay. Ngayon babiyahe tayo guys ng malayo-layo.
Doing.
I'm taking it. Okay guys, so good morning. We are going to travel. Time check alas 10. Ngayong araw iiwan natin itong isang probinsya at ako'y pupunta sa kabilang probinsya, very opposite direction kasi yung mga huling taon ko dito sa Thailand before ako lumipat ng Africa, doon na area ako nagtatrabaho at meron ako mga kaibigan na matatalik doon. So, bibisitahin ko sila.
They have the same thing
I would
as
like
our
to
car.
spend some time with them. Yes. Yeah, this is like our car. This is just like our car.
Look, Mama, house there.
Yeah, big house. So, medyo malayo siya kaysa dito sa probinsya na napili namin ngayon. Mga 1 oras to 1 oras at kalahati na biyahe. Kung sasakay kami ng kotse, okay naman door to door. Pero, tawag nito, door to door siya, pero 500 baht yung pamasahe. Or nasa 1,000 piso. Pero at least kasama ko naman yung mga bata, so okay lang. So, titignan natin kung anong mangyayari doon na side, no? Pero very nostalgic kasi namuhay talaga ako dito na parang lokal. Pagkain, pananalita, hindi lang yung religion kasi ang hirap. Very, very deep culture. Tsaka very rich yung kanilang religion at kultura. Hindi natin masabayan yun. Ang dami nila ditong mga beliefs and practices. Unang-una na maliliit na bagay.
Mario. Mario, I saw Mario.
Sit down, feet down on the ground.
Mommy. Mommy, Mario.
Mario.
Mario. Mom, there's a Mario on that side.
Okay.
Look, Mom.
Back on the chair, dali.
Look, a car is the rock. Car is rock. Is the word truck live? I don't get it. Car. Police car. Car. Taxi driver. Blue taxi driver.
So,
Oh, police
isa sa
car.
mga napaka-simpleng bagay pero dito big deal is yung pagturo mo gamit yung paa. That's a big no-no. Eh, di ba sa atin, sa kulturang Pinoy, okay lang pagka busy yung kamay natin, minsan paa yung ginagamit natin magturo. Or, yung pagpulot ng gamit yung mga paa natin. For example, nahulog yung pera, minsan busy yung kamay, yung paa natin yung ginagamit. Pag nahulog yung, kahit anong nahulog sa sahig, tayo, kayang-kaya natin gamitin yung paa. Pero sila dito, napakabastos at napakadumi ng ganong klaseng style. Kasi for them, pinaka-holy.
Mom, but our car doesn't have anything.
Okay lang, meron ako niyan.
Diba?
Meron ako niyan.
Here. This car is here. Put it on the car.
Sige. I'll put it back when we have the car. So, para sa kanila dito, yung ulo yung pinaka-holy, pinaka-malinis. Hindi mo basta-bastang hahawakan yung ulo, lalo na mga kapwa mo adult. Mga bata siguro pag nakyutan ka, pero as much as possible, avoid touching people's head. Okay? Tapos ay ang paa yung pinakamadumi. So wag kang gagamit ng paa mo sa lahat ng bagay, lalo na pag nagtuturo, no? Next is yung simpleng pagligo. pag lumabas ka dito, nabasa yung buhok mo, ang ibig sabihin nun sa kanila ay may nangyaring kababalaghan before ka naligo. Okay? So that's another belief.
Oh
na
no!
practices
Police car,
nila
Mom.
dito.
Police car.
Police car. Dito sa Thailand.
Mama, can
So,
you a
dito
police
sobrang bihira. Napakabihira na makakita ka ng lokal na lumalabas ng bahay na basa pa yung buhok. Kaya tingnan nyo, wala akong ligo. Ibig sabihin, walang
car?
naganap.
It's my
Walang
cigar.
kababalaghan, walang nangyari. O, diba? Mga maliliit na bagay. Sobrang dami nilang beliefs
Cars, yeah.
dito sa Thailand. Kaya kailangan maging sensitive kung gaano tayo ka-expressive mga Filipino at medyo maingay pag nag-uusap, parang nag-aaway. Dito sa kanila, halos hindi mo sila marinig pag nag-uusap. For example, nasa train or sa bus, may kausap sila sa cellphone. Halos hindi mo talaga marinig. Halos hindi mo talaga marinig. Nagtataka ka paano nila ginagawa yun, no? Kaya nila makipag-usap na parang wala ka talagang naririnig.
Mama, pro
Ano pa ba? Ang dami. Pero dito sa bansang Thailand, very normal lang yung magpa-opera ng mga body parts. Tsaka medyo mas affordable compared sa ibang bansa.
Farmer
Train,
dog.
that's a train. Wow.
Train? Look
But
at
Calvi,
farm.
Calvi is looking around. Yan yung si Calvi, guys. Sobrang mapagmasid.
It's looking
Yan.
up. Oh,
Si Chico inaantok na. So, pwede naman tayong hindi gumamit ng tollway. Pero sabi ko mag-tollway na lang kasi yung mga bata nagiging grumpy kapag ka masyadong matagal sa loob ng sasakyan. Masyado silang nag-iingay or na tawag nila?
Miss
Parang
Calvi
ano?
doing, Mommy?
Calvi is watching at the window.
Watching Mama do a boat?
Po. So, gagamit tayo ng tollway ngayon para mas mabilis ng konti.
I'm going tonight by using our car.
Si Bunny yung nagpa-front seat kasi ayaw ni Mayumi na nagkahiwalay. Dapat laging katabi. Tingnan nyo, guys. At ganito lang tayo magsalita kasi ayaw natin na mairita si Manong. Baka mamaya pababain kami ng kotse. Mapansin mo yan, Bunny, ang mga kulay ng mga sasakyan, blue, green, yellow. Yan ang mga taxi. Yung may mga kulay. Ganyan, no? Yung may nakaano sa taas, taxi.
And pink, Mom. There's a color.
Buti para ma-observe din ni Bunny yung Thailand pag nasa front seat, makita niya yung mga diferensya. Mas makita niya yung difference ng Thailand sa Pilipinas. Oh? Wow.
Wow.
So ano lang yun? 58 pesos. Okay ah. Saan ang gatas ni Mayumi, be? Ano? Sige. No, please. No milk?
Yeah. Yeah, I want a milk.
You want?
I don't want.
Do you want?
I want chocolate cake.
Dili lagi mag-chocolate cake. Kanina pa kaga pa nga yung chocolate cake pag mata nimo.
I want.
Alas 5 pa lang. Be, show me your teeth, be. Oh.
George.
At George.
When Grandpa Pig asked him which vegetable he liked,
Mm.
he said chocolate cake.
Ah, kaya
Then
pala.
when he liked his dinosaur vegetable, he ate it. Then Grandpa Pig said, George, are you still hungry?
Ah,
Full.
ha?
Yeah,
Full.
but when they said, are you sure you don't need to eat anything full? Then you might not want this chocolate cake.
Oh.
Chocolate cake. Oh, I think he got his appetite back.
You guys can remember those things.
Mom, what's your favorite season of Peppa Pig?
Christmas.
My favorite season of Peppa Pig is when the baby was there, and I also like Peppa Pig tales. And my favorite part is when George said full.
Full.
And my favorite also part is when
sa mga nagtatanong, si Kuya Kahil po ay regular classes at meron siyang exams ngayong buwan na to, ngayong weeks. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng abalahin sa exam niya kasi after ng exam mag-review siya and then exam ulit. Ang eskwelahan dito sa Thailand, mga bata dito, tsaka yung education system nila, they're very serious academically. So talagang they take it seriously yung mga exam na yan. Kaya sobrang stricto ng tatay. Hindi siya pwedeng umabsent. But come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we will be with Kuya Kahil again, inshallah. Look at the window, Kalbi, please. There. So you can see what's going on outside. Tapos may nagtanong kung di ba nag-aaral yung mga bata kasi nakikita ninyo kasama ko sila. Dahil sa nangyaring lindol sa General Santos City, lahat po ng schools ay sarado, nagsara. Hindi namin alam kung babalik pa. Pinag-iisipan pa ng everything. So okay lang din, wala namang problema. Kasi I'm sure hindi naman behind pa yung mga bata. No? As much as possible, meron din akong librong binili para sa kanila para makapag-study at makapag-practice. Kahit na wala na kami sa Pilipinas.
Another big slide tower. Slide tower.
Very observant yung mga bata.
Mom, look. Look, Mom.
What happened?
Look.
Huh?
Huh?
Wow, many cars.
Many cars here. Many cars.
Many cars.
1 plus 1, that's easy. What the fish?
Mag-eat na tayo ng lunch. Si Chico daw, balay niya lang.
Magabi ko lang yung candidates for today. So, wala kami na tinada sa balay.
Dumating na kami guys sa aming bagong bahay. May nag-message sa akin si Miga, hi, galing ka mo ni Sheila kag wiwi ya. Diyan ka mo diri sa rangsit. Diri banda ma'am, pero arap ang kami sa mamang na subok.
Here. You pull this out. Si ng Jenny, guro ng Jenny.
Ng Jenny. Ano ka cute ni Mayumi birthday mo?
Careful. Here. Sit it here.
Sikot tulon ka kay Bani, kay tulungan ka ni Bani.
This one.
Ano ka cute ni Mayumi, nagkalong siya day. Feeling birthday niya day.
Nakaping ka.
Grabe ba? Paldo ba? Ano sabihin?
Thank you.
Tagalog lang, Tagalog.
Salamat po.
Ate, kailan man lang kalipay ni Miss Wee man. Isang 20. Ipakita sa utod.
Wala siya karon.
Tinga, dalawa lang. Ari pa isa, karon nagdala ka ng away.
Oy, what's
Dito kayo, dali.
I said, no playing
Hi, guys.
inside.
Nakita niyo yung bangs ko guys, bagong gupit yan. Yung bangs lang. So hindi na ako makita. Nandito na pala yung buhok guys sa mata ko. But maayong hapon, I feel so pagod. F for pagod. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung pagod. Di ba
Nasave
pag...
ko na.
Pag nag-holiday na, minsan hindi mo maramdaman. Pag may lakad ka, may mga labas-labas, hindi mo maramdaman ng ilang araw, no? Tapos bigla mo maramdaman na pagod, wala kang tulog. So, finally, it has kicked in ang pagod ko lahat na ipon. Ngayong araw talagang hindi ko napigilan. Guys, nakatulog talaga ako sa sofa. So, ngayon, tatarin ko yung mga anak ko. Hindi man gani ako nag-vlog ng paniod to namin. Sayang. Sarap yung mamaya na lang panihapon. Bawi kami sa panihapon, guys. Kasama ko yung mga anak ko, syempre. Lalabas kami, bibisita kami ng aming kaibigan. Okay. Time check natin, 4:30 ng hapon.
3, 2,
At
1. I did it.
Alis na naman kami. Bibisita lahat ng mga konting kaibigan na meron ako dito na probinsya. Kinonta ko, kaso nga lang, dahil international school sila nagtatrabaho. O dito maganda magtakbo siya, no? Lahat sila, bakasyon. So, nagsiuwian sa Pilipinas.
Mom, I'm holding my breath.
Okay.
I'm holding my breath too.
So, konti lang silang natira dito. Pero okay lang. Kasi ang mahalaga, makapag-hello tayo. Dahil, ano? Maswerte tayo kasi meron pa tayong chance mag-meet ng old friends natin. God is good.
Mommy,
Alhamdulillah.
Mommy.
Yes.
I want this one.
Saan?
I want this one.
Milk?
No,
Juice?
no,
Chips?
no.
Ano?
I want grapes.
Ha? Chips?
Chicken.
Chips?
Yeah.
Okay, wait lang. Cannot eat inside the car, Calby. Wait lang tayo. We're not far. Kung saan
Okay.
eat? Kasi puros lang yun semento.
Patindugan nila dahil sa kabuk
I did it.
pareho man niya pero
Yep,
do
I did it.
simentado.
I did it.
So, gusto ko mag-ano tayo ngayon, guys.
I did it.
Mag-comment react. Yun ang gusto kong gawin
I
ngayon.
did it.
Tsaka magsagot ng mga tanong ninyo from the comment
I
section.
did it.
So, pasensya na kayo ngayong araw. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maraming beses.
Then,
Ako talaga ay hibernate.
20 minutes.
Natawa yung mga kaibigan ko. Ang lakas doon ng hagok ko, guys. Malakas talaga ako maghagok, guys. Malaman mo kung gaano ako kapagod. Depende sa hagok ko.
Ako ko na kung
Ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung pagod. Pagod tsaka kulang ng tulog. Nakatulog ka ba? Naka-refresh ka konti.
Mami, I'm tulog.
Natulog ka.
Calby, Chico.
Tulog ka.
Dito sila maano.
Kung kamata sila timprano. Kaya kung udto na daw kainit day no. Say, I love you, Calby.
I love you, Gabi.
Sino pa?
Chico.
Say,
Chico.
say I love you.
I love you, Chico.
Sino pa?
Dummy.
Say, I love you, Nani.
I love you, Dummy.
Sino pa?
Ate.
Mami Palong.
Mommy, I love you, Mom.
Thank you. Lola pala.
I love you, Lola.
Thank you po.
No, Lola.
Alright, we are home. Wow, very good si Chico. Guys, tingnan nyo. Chico, show me some face. Kaya wag yun sa smile. Oy, Calby, show me some face. Next, Mayumi, show me some. Aju. So, say pretty. Pretty. Okay. Ha?
Ang bayis kung iya.
Sige lang, maggana na siya. May something daw si Tita Sheila for you. Anong sabihin pag may matanggap?
Salamat.
Okay.
For
Hello.
Calby.
Wow!
Thank you.
Nakuha na, Day.
It's so big. It's so
Oh my gosh, that's so big. Thank you. Hala, tanawa. Gahulat lagi yung pisok-pisok tayo yung mata. Ayun sana.
What's this?
Oh, what's that? A
What's
grenade. A grenade.
How about this one?
About, bomb.
It's a pretend lang ha. Huwag mag-shoot people ha.
Oh, here's the...
Dito lang.
Bag,
You put,
yeah.
ganahan siya. Put
This
here,
one. Here.
Alaka, nagpaabot ng isa. Alaka, nagpila na.
This one.
What is that?
This
Put-
one is
put-
the belt.
Bunny will help you.
Okay. And this
A
one.
belt.
What are you doing?
Me too.
Alam, me too daw.
Okay.
Loko.
You can share, okay? But wait. Wait.
Alang, no.
Is it real?
It's real. Now, that's you two. That's you two.
For
It's two,
Mayumi.
but you have to share, okay? Because it's two.
For Mayumi. What sabi? Mamaya na Mayumi yan. Yay!
You fix, okay?
Yay!
They?
One more. Chico.
Oh, I forgot my hat.
Police officer! No, my God.
Open my gun.
Here.
That's a police officer.
Put on my gun.
Pretend lang yan, ha?
Oh, pretend lang ha.
Like-
Liwa ka bumba.
Ginawa mo naman yung... Asa ka ninaga? Asa ka ninaga karang mga NPA?
Rambo. Bambo.
Malay mo, si Bambo katong singer. Hallelujah.
You have to ask Bunny. You want a bomb? There's another belt.
Dito, damo ka muna, ha?
Sa mga ano na
Pari mo, bra.
dinadlo ko ni Dan.
Pagani, ayaw lang. Ito lang, okay na to. Ayaw na. Are. Kalbi, there's a lot of paintbrushes for you daw to. Anong sabihin mo? Salamat,
That's for
tito.
your...
Lagay naman siya, ano.
The same.
Magustuhan niya talaga to. Thank you po. Hala, very big na. Kay Chico yan, kay Chico.
Kobe, you have a hat as well.
Ayan o. Remove the battery. Ay, ito sa'yo hat mo. Remove and then it will turn on. Dai. Ay, siya pagid na. Amo pagid na siya na. Wait lang. Ano na? Wala lagi. Ay. Right to throw. Boom. Ay, nako. Ka-cute.
Open mine.
Remove the battery.
Remove the white.
Hala, throw it.
Exploded on Chico.
Do not explode your brother. Okay, Kalbi, I want you to draw this one muna. Kay this one needs water. God, Nok, this is so nice. Nok, this is so nice, Nok.
Yes, so many pages.
Day, gwapo kayo namang gihatag sa iya, ha? Kaya as in, maugid niyang pilion yun, art. Ba no, tiyan mo ba, ng laki.
Tapos araw, ang oil pastel ka, watercolor.
Each of you got 3 kilos only, so this is done. Mabigat.
That,
Ano na? Kiki-graduation garland. Nana.
yeah, this is the way you're going to position. This one.
Yes, like that. Okay. Wow. Tuwad, gid man. Nagamit gid man ang balaya.
Hindi,
Or for decoration
for
lang.
decoration. First lang, pag may part, is school pala, what do you want to be?
At,
I want to be a policeman.
Grabe nga pulis na ba?
Ano sa gira? Ano sa yan?
Loni, kira na lang imo ya. Give. Baro lang, baro. Baro lang.
Bani ko ni Bala.
Si Bani nakabalo siya na. Anong i-draw mo? You draw for mama food ha? I want Oopsie, sorry.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Saan mo pala gilagay?
Remember it was here with me. I put it in my pocket.
Hindi ko alam, Nak. Mag-greet muna kayo, Bima. Mag-greet muna kayo, maayong buntag. Thank you, Day. Good morning. Maayong buntag. Chico, show them what you have, Nak. What toy did you receive?
Bomb.
You show them. They cannot see. Okay, everyone will show what they got.
Hat.
Wait lang. Kaya they cannot hear you right now. Okay. Let me put on a microphone for you to tell them and show them what did you get. Okay, ready? Okay, come.
Hat.
Put it on and they see. A hat for a police officer.
Yes.
Ano pa? You tell them it's just pretend. Pero wag kayong mag-alala. No. No. Rated PG with parental guidance. Kalbi, halika, show what you have. Oh, dali.
Wait, pause. I need a bucket.
Pause. Okay. So, good morning. Mayong buntag, guys. Uy. Wow, that's nice. So, good morning sa inyong lahat. Mayong buntag. Sawadee ka. Once again, and by the way sila mag-greet, they put their hands together and then magbow. So, it's very normal na, pero ito siya, this is a formal way. You can say sawadee ka just by saying, but kung gusto mo siyang sabihin sa mas older sa'yo or nasa mas formal setting ka, like eskwelahan or temple, or you're going to visit families, ganun, tapos may mga older, no, may mga senior citizen, you have to put your hands together and then magbow, and then sasabihin mo yung word na sawadee ka. Okay? So, depende kung anong level yung status mo dito sa bansang Thailand, nakadepende kung saan ilalagay yung kamay. Kapag same level mo, pwede dito sa may chest area. Pag medyo higher level sa'yo, pwede dito sa may ilong. Tatama yung iyong pointy finger. Ganyan. And then kapag ka-monk naman, sa taas ng noo. Okay, yung mga monk o yung mga religious, yung parang sa atin is pare. Pero dito sa kanila, monk ang tawag. I think napakita ko na sa inyo yun before. So kapag nag-greet or formal greet para sa mga monk or para dun sa kanilang mga high leaders, no? Minsan talaga makikita mo sila na very low yung pagbow and yung kamay nila nasa noo, as you can see me doing right now, parang ganun. Tapos minsan yung mga estudyante sa teachers nila, ganito naman. And then pagka the same level, teacher to teacher, pwedeng ganon. So, napaka-interesting. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, sobrang interesting ng kanilang religion and kanilang belief. Kabi, what did you get as a gift?
A big notebook.
Let me see. Wow, you have an art table.
And paint. And some brushes for painting. And some oil pastels.
Yeah.
And a pen from my mom.
Show me the pen I got for you.
It's hot.
Halak ka. Sabihan mo si Tita Sheila.
And also some new colors from our mom.
Oh, are you happy?
Yeah.
Kiss ako if happy ka. Mwah. I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you very much, Chico.
I love you very much. Mom, what things
Kiss
should I
ako.
draw? Mom, what things should I
Draw for me. Can you draw for me a beach? With a beach ball? A little hard? Okay, so nagliligpit ako guys kasi this is our first day dito na side. So, I received a very good question kahapon from one of my friends dito na side. So, nasan ako ngayon? I am in this area of Bang Na. Again, nandito ako sa area ng Bang Na, Thailand. It's around 1 hour and a half kung saan kami nakatira ng mga anak ko when we just arrived. But this one is around 1 hour from the city center or 45 minutes. Depende sa traffic. Dito ako nakatira for the last ilan ba? 6 years. Bago ko tuluyang iwan yung Thailand. And I moved to Uganda, Africa, to start my family with Mr. Giga during that time, as you guys already know, right? Being back here, there's a lot of memories. Ang daming bumabalik na mga alaala. It's nostalgic. Kasi I lived my life very well dito sa bansang Thailand. Basically, in the course of 9 to 10 years dito sa Thailand, guys, I worked in 5 different schools since I started 2011. Okay? So, yung mga experience ko dito, talagang I learned a lot from them. And again, maraming nagme-message sa akin, no? Madam, paano ako makapunta dyan? Madam, paano makapunta yung anak ko dyan? Madam, paano maghanap ng trabaho dyan? Madam, tulungan mo naman kami maghanap ng trabaho dyan. Again, hindi po ako recruiter. Hindi po ako nagdadala ng tao dito para magtrabaho. Hindi ko po yan gawain ever since. I did that way parang ginawa ko yan siya 2012 or 2013. Parang 2013 ko siya ginawa and then 2014. But I did not have a really good experience, no? Masyado siyang, guys, nakakatawa and minsan you are going to, ipapahamak mo yung sarili mo. So I don't recommend, I don't advise for anyone na magdala, okay, ng kahit na sino, not unless siguro family members mo kasi there's a certain process. But yung experience ko sa pagdala dito, 2 beses ko lang ginawa. And I learned from it already. And that was long time ago. So, merong mga nagtatanong sa akin, no? Madam, kung nagturo ka dyan before, may record ka na nagtrabaho ka dyan, how come hindi ka na-offload? How come pinapayagan ka nilang pumasok? It's because it took me, I believe it took me umalis ako dito 2020. Nakabalik ako dito 2025. I believe yung first trip ko dito 2025. Mayumi was already turning 1 years old kasi pinanganak ko si Mayumi 2024. So first balik ko dito to see Kuya Kahil para sunduin si Kuya Kahil, baby pa si Mayumi. I have a picture I'm going to attach here. Tamang-tama sinare sa akin ng kaibigan namin. I'm very, very grateful with this people around us na para naming pamilya. So, my record was 2025, umalis ako 2020, that's already 5 years. So, sa records yata ng immigration, kung may record man ako nagtrabaho dito sa Thailand, that was 5 years ago. And I've already done a lot of things in between those records. One is, of course, I lived in Africa. Sa Africa, I live in Uganda specifically. Nag-travel na ako sa Nigeria, nag-travel ako sa Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, 3. I also traveled to UK when I was there. I also traveled to Dubai when I was in Uganda. I also had records of Singapore and Malaysia. Okay? So, maraming record. And I also traveled recently sa Japan. So, ngayon, they saw that my life completely changed already. And the first time I traveled dito, 2025, kasama si Mayumi, tinanong talaga ako ng immigration officer na, uy, may record ka pala na nagtrabaho ka sa Thailand. Wag kayong magde-deny ng record ninyo. They all know that. They can see that in the computer. So, wala naman akong balak mag-deny. I am very confident with my travel history. So, I told them, yes, nagturo po ako way back. That was already like 5 years ago. And I'm going back to visit. Ganun lang, tinatakan. Walang masyadong tanong. Okay? And it's been like that every time na lumalabas ako ng Pilipinas. So, may nagtanong sa akin, sabi, Madam, mahirap ba yung mga tanong sa immigration? Hindi. Hindi siya mahirap. Lalo na kapag alam mo yung isasagot mo and you are truthful and honest. Okay? I know a lot of us really fears immigration, pero there's nothing we can do. It's part of the process. Then may nagsabi, ito gusto ko tanungin, may nagsabi, Madam, naghanap ba ng hotel accommodation? Yes. Maghahanap talaga ng hotel bookings. Pero sa hotel bookings, if hindi pa kayo sigurado kung saan talaga kayo mag-i-stay, okay, find no card needed sa booking.com. Sa booking.com kasi pwede kayong mag-book kahit na walang card details. Kasi you are still figuring out kung saan kayo mag-stay. So again, I'm not sharing my life and my history with you guys because I'm trying to hire or get people to come here. No, wala pong ganun. Ini-story ko lang sa inyo yung experience ko dito. So again, I've stayed here for the last 6 years bago ako malis ng Thailand for good because I got married to Mr. Giga during that time. So I had, my first one was public school, government school. My next one was private school. The third school was also a private school. The 4th and the 5th is both international school. So, the same area dito. 3 taon sa isang international school, 3 taon sa isang international school. And all of those schools taught me very big lessons in life. My 4th school, yung ika-4 ko na school, it taught me more, made me realize na not everyone is your friend. Some people will pretend na concern or friend nila kayo, but actually, they will do whatever it takes for you not to go one step higher. Okay? There's a lot of realizations. Ang dami. My last school, I had amazing memories. I met a lot of wonderful people. I spent time with wonderful souls. I always, every time na bumabalik ako ng Thailand, I always try to see them because I am grateful for their presence sa buhay ko and whatever I got, whatever I learned from them as Princess Higa. Okay? And may nagtanong sa akin kahapon, if given the chance, would you consider coming back sa Thailand for good? Yes. Hindi ako magdadalawang isip na mag for good sa Thailand. Okay? Bakit? I had a long time na experience sa bansang to. I know their food. I can speak their language at least. Not 100% fluent, but I can communicate. Maybe like 40%, I know, 50%, enough for me to live here. My children can easily adopt here kasi lahat naman ng mga ingredients ng pagkain Pinoy nandito. This is not far from the Philippines. I can get a job here. Katulad ng sinabi ko, I'm quite positive. So, my answer would be a straight yes. Worst comes to worst, it would be one of my option. Syempre, nakadepende. Like I said, every time I do something, I always consider what is best para sa mga bata and for me as well. So, Thailand is the best option. It's a great option, to be honest. Like I said, I would love to come back here. Ayun. So, anyway, ayun nga at nagliligpit ako ng aming tulugan. At marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong sa akin na, Madam, pa-house tour ako. And, ayoko mag-house tour. Kaya, wala lang. Okay, wala lang. But, ayan. Marami sa inyo nagtatanong at excited na excited sa muling pagkikita nga no, ni Mr. Higa at ng mga bata. And, may nagtanong sa akin, Madam, excited din ba sila? Hinahanap din ba nila? Hindi ko sila sinasabihan. Hindi ko sila sinabihan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ilang pangako na ang napako. I am not going to do that sa mga anak ko. Okay? Nakasurvive na buhay sila na wala yung ganong klaseng presence. And it can, ala, anak, ang ganda niyan, nak. Is that the sand? Wow. So, ngayon, okay lang. Kasi if ever man na merong changes in between, parang hindi naman ako magmumukhang tanga sa mga bata. So, alam niyo yun guys, kapag mga bata, yung kadil ko talaga, I try to be, ano ba yung word? Strategic, no? Strategic. Hindi lang ito yung unang beses na mention si Mr. Higa na gusto niyang makasama or makita or makasama for the first time si Mayumi din, diba? Kung tinitake ko man siya seriously or hindi ko siya tinitake seriously, everything is influenced by kung ano yung mga behavior niya before sa history namin. Kung ano yung level ng sincerity niya. Okay? So that's why I told you guys, kung ano man yung napag-usapan namin, I'm not putting 100% of my faith. I'm not putting 100% of my mental energy. I'm not really focusing doon lang na bagay. Okay? Then may nagsabi sa akin, Madam, separate ka. There. I don't want to beat kids. Separate. May nagsabi, Madam, hindi pa pala ready, ganito, ganyan. Bakit kayo lumarga, ma'am? Na-mention ko na sa aking unang episode, kung hindi ninyo yun na nakita or narinig. Hindi lang yun yung reason kung bakit kami nandito. Okay? Hindi lang dahil sa kanya. Isa lang yun. And like I said, I am just praying na ma-push through niya yung mga salita niya. Kasi it's not going to affect me or the children, but it's going to affect him greatly. Okay? Hindi naman kami masasaktan eh. Hindi naman kami maaagrabyado. Pero siya, masisira, yung sira na record, mas masira pa yung record. Oh, negative na ganun, negative pa. So, nakadepende. But so far, let me be at the point kung saan ma-push through niya man ang mga nasabi niya na words or mga naplano niya or hindi, the fact na tinatry niya na ma-make, parang maging better regardless kung may mga bagay na hindi siya nasunod or hindi niya magagawa because of some factor, maybe yung trabaho, maybe dokumento, kasi right now we are still talking. We are still talking for the best way forward. Kung hindi magiging option itong bansang to para sa kanya, ano yung plan B? Ano yung plan C? Dapat laging merong ganun. And knowing him, as sa trabaho niya din, laging merong backup plan. Meron laging contingency plan. So, let me leave him to do his part. As I do my part for my kids being here in Thailand. Alright? Ang mahalaga, meron siyang binibigay na pera, na pang-allowance. And I'm not going to go around, ipaikot-ikot. I'm going to cut the chase. That's the main there, no? Sinabihan ko nga siya, huwag mo sayangin ang oras ko, Dudong. Sabihan ko siya, guys. Sige, huwag kayo magpa-stress. Huwag kayo magpa-stress. Mami, ako naman stress. Okay. So, what I'm trying to say is, sinabihan ko siya na, Dudong, huwag mo sayangin ang oras ko, Dong. Sabi ko sa kanyang ganun. Napag-usapan na natin to. Ayoko nang pabalik-balik. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Kung yung next message mo ay hindi tungkol sa lugar, sa oras, or something more specific, or hindi resibo ng bank transfer sa bank account ko, huwag mo sayangin yung oras ko. Wala akong oras para sa ganito. Wala akong oras. Ganun talaga, guys. Ganun na ako magsalita ngayon. At alam niya, I'm not sad. I'm just talking. I'm not sad, my love. Love you. Okay. Alam ni Lord yung pinagdaanan ko, guys. I've been through a lot. Simula nang iwan ko yung bansang Thailand. Okay? And, hindi ko alam, don't get me wrong, kasi hindi ko naman sinabi na bawal mag-comment or something. Pwede naman talaga kayo mag-comment all you want. Pero what my point was, respect should be earned. It's not something that you can demand from people. You cannot. So, once again, today, dito kami sa Bangna Province and magdadalawang araw kami ngayon. Kahapon, hindi ako talaga nag-vlog kasi I wanted to be fully present sa mga kaibigan ko na nandito para sa amin ng mga anak ko, my children, from isa. Simula nung single pa lang ako, hanggang nandyan si Kahil, hanggang nandyan si Calby, hanggang nandyan si Chico, hanggang nandyan si Mayumi. They have been quiet, yung solid, yung mga friend na solid, quiet, ganong klase. Yung kahit hindi kami mag-usap, but you know that they've been there for you and my children. And ngayong araw, dadalhin ko yung mga anak ko sa malapit dito na area para sa mga bata na may mga buhangin. Hindi. May mga buhangin, may mga course challenge, may mga lubid-lubid. Dadalhin ko sila doon para mag-enjoy. I'm going to meet few more friends. And, yes.
Thank you for taking us here to have some fun.
Oh, dali, tell mama pa. When you say things like that, I want to see it straight from your eyes. Ano sabi mama? Ano sabi mo?
Thank you for taking us here to have some fun.
Where? In Thailand or in this house?
In Thailand.
Oh, really? Did you appreciate that?
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me a kiss then? You kiss me. Is traveling fun? What did you learn so far in traveling? What did you learn so far that now
You mean in the airplane?
everything? What did you learn so far? Something that you did not know before.
It was fun.
Mm.
I liked it.
What did you find out that you did not know before?
What does that mean?
Yeah, like I found out that planes can fly really high up in the sky. You found out that the roads in Thailand are
Are very smooth.
smooth and wide.
Yeah.
What else did you find out? New things.
Thailand.
Thailand is what?
The in the market they're different. They make those standing things like where you buy hot dog or ice cream. Yeah, like that. It's not like they put a table, then they just put fish down, then they just sell it. They just make a stand shop, then they start buying.
Nice, huh? The business is good here, right? What is your favorite thing so far in Thailand?
The new movies were not appeared in Philippines, but they appeared here. I like that part. The playgrounds here are kind of fun for me a little. And also,
So playground, movie, what else?
the soup here is very delicious. I like the soup here.
You like the soup here?
Yeah.
Okay. So where do you think we're going to travel next? Is there any country you want to go to next after Thailand? Inshallah, if Allah bless us, if Allah gives us the chance, which country do you want to see?
To go to Japan instead of America.
Japan.
Yeah, but America is very expensive,
But
right?
which part? Yeah. And Japan is closer to the Philippines, so I think that's okay. We will try to work hard and see if God bless us with.
But if I have enough money for America, I'm going there.
So, okay. You want to go alone in America?
No, I'll bring Ashley and Moni
Only Ashley and Moning.
and Chico.
And
so they
Chico.
can see how America's like.
Okay. Why America? Why America?
America's a very cool place.
Okay. But I think Japan is better.
I say they're both.
Both. Do you want to go to Japan when it's snowing, when it's hot, when it's autumn, or
When it's snowing.
snowing?
Yeah.
Inshallah. Say
But-
inshallah.
Yeah, but before we go to Japan, we need a scarf, a hat, a jacket, a boots, and hand covering.
Very good.
I mean, no.
But you have to say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay.
And sometimes we need.
Earmuffs.
No, you wear gloves so your hands do not become cold. Yeah.
Gloves.
To make a snowman.
And you, Chico, what are you doing right now?
When you're making a snowman, I'm gonna make a snowball and a throw it at you.
That's not being nice.
Mom, on April Fool's Day, I'm going to April Fool Bunny.
What are you planning to do? It's a
When
secret.
he's sitting down in the afternoon, and I'll go get a hose, then I'll pour water on him. No. That's how April Fool's is like.
Okay.
No, you just make a toy cake, then give it to him, and then when I say, oh, thank you, Kirby, then when he No, I can't do that. That means I have to be a science. Or maybe I can give him a Coca-Cola with a Mentos on it. Then
Chico,
I'll shake it and give it to him, then boom, it explodes on his face.
Chico, what are you doing? You're breaking things.
No, I'm trying to fix this other one. This one is already fixed.
Oh, you fixed this one?
Yep.
Your radio?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm trying to
Ano
fix
ko,
this
naging
one.
engineer na talaga siya, guys.
Yeah, I cannot fix this one with this
Okay.
tool. Mama, I'm almost done painting with my ocean.
Okay.
Bye.
Wow.
Bye.
Draw for me a sailboat, ha?
Okay.
So, si Chico, yan yung ano ni Chico, yung hilig gawin. Si Calvin naman, nandun sa gilid. Para sa kanyang watercolor art. Ano siya, Mama, ano gusto mo i-draw ko? Sabi ko sa kanya, ocean. I miss the ocean. So, ngayon nag-drawing siya ng sand and then water. And then I asked him to add a sailboat and a beautiful sunrise. Alright guys, again, magpapaalam na ako kasi it's going to be a very busy day. Again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nakasubaybay sa kwento ng aming buhay. Huwag kayong mag-alala if ever I know hindi ko man binibigay 100% yung faith ko.
When are we going to Harbor Island?
We're not going back there, kaya expensive siya. Well,
What kind of island pool are we going to?
I'm going to think about it with Mami Shinshin.
I kind of like pools. It's like they're very satisfying.
Okay, satisfying. So again, let me just give time and chance kay Mr. Yiga to try to do and arrange things on his side. Hindi ko man mabigay sa kanya 100% ng tiwala at this kind of things. Kasi I do remember na magkasama pa kami, halos ako din lahat sa planning and everything, no? I make things happen. Hindi ko alam kung he's going to push through, but let's give him, the benefit of the doubt at least. Okay? For now, mag-e-enjoy muna yung mga anak ko. And, yeah. We'll see what's going to happen. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you on the next one. Much love, Princess Yiga.
Much love, Calvi Yiga.
Much love.
Calvi Yiga.
And another one. Much love.
Chikwaliga.